Thank you for joining me for this webinar where we're going to talk about 5 stretches to beat neck pain. And when people have neck pain, they can also get radiation from the neck area up into the head, like headaches. You can get radiation from the neck down into the shoulders, shoulder pain, and then even radiation down into the arms, like numbness and tingling, going down into the fingers. Sometimes people also get tension up into the jaw region, or TMJ. So this is a very important topic. We're going to talk about some stretches you can do to help with neck pain. So stretch number 1 I want to go over with you is neck tilts. Neck tilts are effective for relaxing tight muscles and improving flexibility. They can be performed either seated or standing, and you can make them a convenient choice for anyone that seeks relief from neck pain. So basically, you can do them sitting or standing. You can just tip your ear to one shoulder, put your hand on top of your head, grab the opposite side of your head, and just gently pull. Now, if you're having any sharp pain with this, if you're feeling any more symptoms like radiation down your arm, you definitely want to stop. And you want to work within your limits. So if you feel you're getting close to the limit, and then with your hand on top of your head pulling, it can increase the range a bit. That's good. But if you're hitting a hard limit where it's like blocked, then discuss that with your chiropractor, because there may be a physical limitation, like a bone out of place, affecting the range of motion in the neck area. I would do 8 to 10 repetitions of this with the consent of your healthcare professional. And I would do this on the left side and the right side, just to balance both sides. I tell my patients to do it first thing in the morning, just before bed. Good time to remember to do these stretches and exercises. The second exercise I have for you are chin tucks. Chin tucks are effective for strengthening neck muscles and enhancing posture. This simple exercise can be easily integrated into your daily routine, providing lasting relief from neck discomfort. Now, one mistake people do when they do these chin tucks is they often tilt their head backward. They think that's tucking their chin, but it's not extension that we want, and we'll talk about extension in a minute. It's tucking your chin in almost to make a double chin, like in this example right here. Pull the chin back, retracting the head backwards on the same plane, so still looking forward, but tucking that chin in to retract the ear back in alignment with the shoulder. This is a very good exercise for the upper neck muscles right up here. I would do, again, 8 to 10 repetitions, holding it for 2 to 3 seconds each time. Do that first thing in the morning, just before bed. Again, check with your healthcare provider to make sure that's an appropriate exercise for you. For all of these, do that. Make sure you're checking with your healthcare professional. Neck extensions, gently tilting your head back to look upward. Neck extensions can counteract forward head posture, or tech neck. This movement can relieve stiffness at the base of your skull and improve overall neck mobility. Always perform neck extensions slowly. Stop if you feel any pain or if you feel any dizziness. So you don't have to do it as extreme as this top example, but just something like this, a yoga position, where you're doing cat and dog. This can be a very effective way to do a neck extension. Sometimes also I'll tell people just to hang their head off the edge of the bed, gently look back. But if you're getting any symptoms, you want to discontinue that. I would hold for 2 to 3 seconds at the start, do about 8 to 10 repetitions, first thing in the morning, just before bed. Upper trapezius stretch benefits. So stretching the upper trap area can be very good to relieve stiffness, support neck alignment, and promote relaxation. You can incorporate this into your overall routine, sitting at your desk just to stretch the neck like that, hand over the head, pulling to one side, then pulling to the other side. So this can be a nice break, especially if you're on a 15-minute coffee break. Just put a little note for yourself, stretch the neck. This can be very good to relax those tight muscles on the side. And then the last one is neck rotations for pain relief. So just gently turn your head to one side, then turn to the other side. Again, you want to work within your range of motion. You want to try to increase your range of motion on a daily basis. And with chiropractic care, this can be very effective of maintaining the gains that you're making in the clinic. So I would do 8 to 10 repetitions of this to one side, 8 to 10 reps to the other side. Just hold it for 1 second as far as you can on the one side, 1 second on the other side. You might want to do this lying on the bed again, face up, because with gravity, it might help you to get your cheek down towards the bed if it's restricted. So you want to use gravity when you're doing these stretches as much as possible. Now, if you're in the Kelowna area, you can book an appointment at touchstreetfamilychiropractic.com. We're accepting new patients now, no doctor referrals needed. We bill directly to insurance, including ICBC. Very convenient location on Tut Street by Raymer. Easy to get to our clinic, lots of parking that's free in our building. If you're outside Kelowna, you can join our health coaching group at www.caryyurkiw.com. We talk about stretches and exercises and health concepts in general, better lifestyle, dietary changes, exercise on that site. And then everyone's welcome to join our 4-week mastermind group. That'll be starting right after this webinar for 4 weeks in August. So all you have to do is sign up for that. You can just type in the chat here, mastermind, and we'll get back to you. We'll also be sending an email follow-up to you because you registered for this event. You can click on that email follow-up to sign up to the mastermind group. Thanks for joining me for this webinar, and we'll see you guys soon.